Hey guys, so in today's video I'll show you how to copy the CD with the audio to the desktop or whatever else, like to the pen drive, whatnot. So if you can see, if I try it, it will just play the audio. If I open it, you can see it's like CDA file, but it also says 1 kilobyte, and when I transfer it, it doesn't work properly. So what you gotta do is go to search, type in Windows Media Legacy Player, open it. Once you open that, go to like here, it will immediately show you the E, which is the external CD drive. And what you want to do is like select all of these if they're not selected, however many tracks there is. Click RIP settings and then go here, audio quality. You can like set it to like best quality depending which kind of the like quality you require. So after doing that, just click RIP CD and it will start ripping every single track from the CD to the drive on the PC, and I'll show you later after it's done where is that located and how you can access it. And it will all be saved in like Windows Media Player file, so you can open it with ease. It will be in like MP3. And now when it's done transferring everything, this will pop up. Windows Media Legacy cannot download media information from the CD. The tracks, artists, albums will be identified as unknown in your library for results connected to the internet, blah blah. Just click OK and that's it. Now all you have to do is type in on the Explorer, go to this PC and head here. Go to music, unknown artist. As you can see, August 25th, 6:55, which is now. It even says the seconds. And here it is. Let's see, does it work?
De noot, het vuur.
And it's like saved here now. And you can do like, if you want to transfer it to like USB or whatever, copy all of it. And then go to whatever you wanna, you put it to name first and then it's on your desktop. And that's how basically you transfer files, and you can now eject the drive. As you can see, I'll do it now. The drive is out. And if I go back to my CDE or music in that matter, the tracks are here.
De noot.
And they play properly. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for this video. Subscribe, comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.